Good evening, everyone. So, Great Collections had sold quite a few remarkable looking coins this past weekend, on Sunday actually. And this 1970D Candy half dollar was one of the coins that sold for a pretty large chunk of money. Let me tell you a little bit about it. So it's of course it's the last year of silver in any circulating business strike coinage. Okay, the 1970D was 40% composition in silver, but the only way to get the coin at the time was through mint sets. And at the time, the 1970D was the lowest mintage business strike half dollar all the way up to 2005. All right, which says a lot. All right, a coin that can only be found encapsulated in a mint set should be of discerning quality. So this particular example sold this past Sunday to the tune of $4,668.75. It graded out PCGS Mint State 67, and here's the thing that you need to know. Okay, there was 15 in this grade. All right, in spite of the fact that there are over a dozen of these examples out there, they're still selling for many thousands of dollars. Okay, so when obviously, you know, a 1970 comes up in coin roll hunting on occasion. It's kind of a rarity out there because of its small mintage, and you know, you got to take into consideration the attrition factor. Okay, some of these were melted a little over 10 years ago when the price of silver, you know, jumped up over $50 an ounce. So there's less and less of them out there. People were breaking up these mint sets to get to that 40% half dollar. It's kind of crazy. The coin, you know, is supposedly one of the better struck dates out of the earlier silver composition half dollars. So finding top-notch quality coins such as this isn't exactly, you know, kind of like a back-breaking endeavor. They're out there in the case of this particular auction. And by the way, if you wanted to go and check out the actual listing, it's auction number 602686, and that's through greatcollections.com. Again, fantastic piece. Okay, if you want to find one raw mint sets, of course there's tons of 1970D mint sets, and you want to make sure you get the business strike coins. That's why it's called a mint set. They did make a proof set as well of the state, so you want to keep that in mind as well. They're not, you know, proof are nice coins, but this is the one right here with all the luster and everything. So, you know, I wanted to throw out this auction recap for you. It's a simply stunning 1970D Candy half dollar that graded out PCGS Mint State 67. Only 15 at this grade, and it sold for $4,668.75. I need to find me a few of these. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a great big like, big thumbs up if you did, and feel free to subscribe. Blue Ridge Silverhound. As always, keep hunting, keep stacking, keep searching, and enjoy the hobby, and I'll catch you later. See ya.